Rog, believe it or not, I do actually listen to you. And I remember you saying, I can't even remember when, you said, always look for the ISM numbers. Below 50, you've got to start worrying about recession. And I've noticed it's below 50. In fact, it's well below 50.
That's right, it is. It's in contraction territory.
Contraction,
Which
you
is
mean
not-
it's going down?
It's going down, contracting.
We're in trouble. We're all in trouble.
Below 50 is contraction, above 50 is
We're in
expansion.
trouble.
But not necessarily recession.
Oh, for God's sake. Well,
you
it's
need a
so
bit more.
confusing.
You
What
need a
else is
bit
going
more.
on?
So what you also need is one of the major factor
Right.
with a weak ISM for really to be in a recession.
What's that then?
Unemployment to go up a lot.
Hang on a moment. So I want, if I'm going into recession, I want ISM down,
Yeah.
unemployment up.
Yeah. So we've seen before the ISM kind of in the low 40s, sometimes lower, but with unemployment being kind of low, employment being strong, not in recession. And right now, we've got strong employment, even though we've got a weak ISM, and we're
So
not in
that's
recession.
bloody confusing, isn't it then? So what's going on?
Well, it's only when we start to see a real breakage in the employment sector, and it's employment or unemployment going up that really defines recessions. Not ISMs, not money supply,
All right.
but unemployment.
So I've got the ISMs down, so now everyone, I assume, is just waiting to see what happens to unemployment.
Yeah. And at the moment, it's actually quite strong.
But if that turns,
That turns,
We're in
then
trouble.
hard hat time.
oh, blimey. All right, I'll look out for that. Thanks for that, mate.